Good morning guys, today is Wednesday 29th of July 2015 and time is 5:07 AM London time, and I'm going to continue pound dollar analysis. Right now I'm watching weekly chart. As we can see, yesterday the bullish still is strengthening. What we see at the bottom, we can see on weekly the MACD is turning to bullish, and you can see is almost diversion is creating at the bottom for stochastic. So if we'll see if there's a MACD turn to the bullish, then we can see the continuity of the bullish. We'll see end of this week. Let's move on to the daily. What we see yesterday, we can see the bullish is strengthening, and we can see nice bullish movement yesterday. And what we see at the bottom, we can see the MACD is still bullish, stochastic is still turning above 80. And the momentum is turning to the bullish, so we'll see that still the bullish is strengthening. But if you look at in daily, we can see the Bollinger Band is squeezing, so we are expecting some big movement. We'll see if the price is going to break this resistance today or not. Ahead we have a Bollinger Band as well. We'll see today the market reaction. Let's move on to the 4-hour. What we see yesterday, we can see nice rejection, bearish rejection. You can see after this candle we had an opportunity for long, and if you look at, we had the breakout of the triangle as well yesterday, and you can see the bullish momentum is changed, and you can see the stochastic is still above 80. As long as the stochastic stay above 80, we can see the bullish is strengthening. Right now we can see the price at Bollinger Band. Ahead we have another 156,700 powerful resistance, so that's the area, another opportunity area. If the price is going to respect, then we probably look for short trade, otherwise breakout. After confirmation, look for long trade. Let's move on to the 1 hour, see the market reaction and plan a trade for today. Right, just recap yesterday trade. This is the breakout I was looking yesterday. As I mentioned these are the edges, and as you can see after this candle, we have the confirmation of rejection. So we had in 5 minutes on retest, we have a short opportunity. As I mentioned yesterday, we can see very nice bearish movement. Even the price broken this trend support area, and this is what we called counter trade opportunity. That's area based on the momentum. And we have another long opportunity, this area, which is basically, it was expecting some news. And you can see this is the corner of Bollinger Band. So what I do basically, I see this area combined with other technical tools. If everything is in alignment, then I'll take a trade, because trade is only about the risk, how much you are willing to take a risk. This is the area to take a risk, and I did take some long opportunity this area, and I'll tell you why. First, you can see the price is, if you look at here, and that's the area, you can see this is the support area. You can see the price respected many times, right? And price came back and retest this area, number one. And number two, if you look at the recent high and low, and if this area combined with any Fibonacci's retracement, then I'll take a trade accordingly. So what I'm trying to do, that's the recent high and low. And what you see here, 61.8 fib retracement. So you can see I got like two. Number one, Bollinger Band. And number two, the support. Number three, and a fib level. So this is the area to basically risk few pips. And you can see there's a nice reward. And that's the area which basically there was opportunities. Two opportunity yesterday. As I mentioned, number one is here, and number two here, based on the momentum, because the momentum was bullish, so we need to look for the reasons, technical reason, and that's the opportunity. And we had another third opportunity to break out of this resistance, right? So this is also the impact of financial news yesterday, pound GDP news, right? So what is the agenda for today? So as we can see, price, this is the yesterday high, which is 156,300 area, and as you can see the Bollinger Band is squeezing too, right? So and number two, you can see that's the area which is 156,000, another powerful support area. So that's the zone. Basically, I'll be more interested either if the price is going to break one of these area or going to respect. So I take a trade accordingly. So the recent trend and resistance line, so what I'm going to do, 1, 2nd and 3rd, and that's the area which basically I can see. And if you look at recent, you can see this is the breakout, triangle breakout. But what we see at the bottom, we can see this area is support area. So I'll be wait for the London Open, so I'll take a trade accordingly. So technically that's the consolidation zone. You can see the price previously respected these areas. All right, so what I'm looking, I'll be more confident looking for the breakout if the price is going to break this consolidation zone, or either if the price is going to respect in 5 minutes here, then I'll be looking a long trade here. If the price is going to break or respect, I'll take the confirmation in 5 minutes. As I mentioned yesterday, if you look at in 5 minutes, the price did basically retest this previous. So after retest, it gave me the confirmation to take a trade accordingly based on my risk and reward ratio. So that's the opportunity what I'm looking today. Mainly I'm looking for the breakout of this zone, but we'll see. Let's see if there's any high impact news today. Today we have a medium impact news for pound around about 9:30 a.m. London time, and we have a high impact news around about 7 p.m. London time. We'll see how this news is going to react in the market. Alright guys, that's it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.